Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are delving into the delightful world of coffee table decor, where creativity knows no bounds and every arrangement becomes a work of art. Whether you are looking to elevate your living room with a chic centerpiece or simply add a touch of personality to your space, I have got a plethora of ideas to inspire and ignite your inner designer. Let's start our journey with the timeless elegance of trays. Trays are a versatile and practical addition of any coffee table, providing a stylish way to corral and organize your decor items. Arrange a curated selection of decorative objects like candles, books, and small plants on a tray to create a cohesive and visually pleasing picture story that adds charm and character to your living room. Now, let's talk about the beauty of books. Coffee table books are not only a source of inspiration and knowledge, but also a stylish accessory that adds personality and flair to your space. Moving on to the allure of natural elements. Bringing elements of nature into your coffee table decor adds warmth, texture, and visual interest to your space. Consider incorporating small plants, succulents, or fresh flowers into your arrangement to bring life and vitality to your coffee table. Pair natural elements with organic materials like wood, stone, or woven baskets for a cohesive and harmonious look that celebrates the beauty of the outdoors. Now, let's explore the magic of candles. Candles not only add ambience and warmth to your space, but also create a sense of coziness and relaxation. Choose candles in decorative vessels or holders that complement your decor style, whether it's sleek and modern or traditional and timeless. Speaking of sensory experiences, let's talk about the power of texture. Texture adds depth and dimension to your coffee table decor, creating a tactile and inviting atmosphere. Consider incorporating textural elements like woven baskets or textured trays into your arrangement to add visual interest and charm. Mix and match different textures like smooth, rough, soft, and shiny for a dynamic and layered look that invites you to touch and explore. Now, let's discuss the importance of personal touches. Adding personal touches to your coffee table decor not only reflects your personality and interests, but also creates a sense of intimacy and warmth in your space. Moving on to the trend of incorporating art into your coffee table decor. Artwork adds a touch of sophistication and elegance into your coffee table arrangements, creating a focal point that draws the eye and sparks conversation. Choose artwork that complements your decor style and color palette, whether it's a framed print, a small sculpture, or a decorative object. Place artwork on a stand or easel to elevate it and make it the star of your coffee table display. Now, let's talk about the importance of balance and symmetry. Balancing your coffee table decor with symmetrical arrangements create a sense of harmony and order that is pleasing to the eye. Consider arranging decor items in pairs or groups of threes to create symmetry and balance on your coffee table. Place larger items in the center and smaller items on the sides to create a visually balanced composition that feels cohesive and well coordinated. As we continue our journey through these coffee table decorating ideas, remember that the key is to create a space that reflects your personality, style, and interest. Whether you're drawn to trays, books, natural elements, candles, textures, personal touches, art, balance, or symmetry, there's a decorating idea waiting to elevate your coffee table. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and until next time, happy decorating. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.